Hi, Incredibles.
Hi,
Hello.
Great, great. Welcome back. How was your last week?
It was fine. It was
good.
perfectly good.
Okay.
Amazing.
So we are learning every week, every time new things. Okay. So today is integrated power coding. Okay. Integrated power coding is to understand how you have been coded, how to remove negative coding that you may have never been aware of. Okay. This works deep in your mind to shift blockages that prevent you from moving ahead. Integrated power coding is a process that helps you understand how you have been coded and how to remove negative coding that you may have never been aware of. Over time, uh, thoughts can become codes, and these codes are the meaning we give to the world we live in. Like baselines, your coding motivates you, inspires you, and can even crush you. You integrate your codes without even realizing uh, they will be collected over time from your family, friends, social media, TV, etc. And from your experience, it is usually easier to change codes that it is to radically change a baseline because coding happens as a result of interpreting an event or situation at a specific point in time. Let's find out how you can change your coding. Uh, any doubts you have up to now?
No,
Okay.
I understood what you said.
Types of fundamental codes. There are two types of codes. One is encode and ecode. Encode is a negative codes. Ecode is empowering code. These encodes usually end up with an answer or statement that makes you feel awful. Example, I never do anything right. Everyone is always against me. If you were coded in this way, you would feel awful. This is a negative code. I can give some examples. Like, one girl, she had some problem with the boyfriend, and she decided that, all boys are like this. So that is the E code she has created in her mind. Similarly, that is the encode. Similarly, E codes. These codes usually end up with an answer or statement that empowering and gives you drive and strength. Example, I am strong enough to always find a way. I never quit because I'm winner. To most of the sports people, they have this. I don't want to be a loser. Always I want to try. So these kind of e-codes, this is the empowering codes. The majority of people have no idea how they are coded. They don't have clue what's running in the background of their minds. We can't see that real direction is given by the e-codes and encodes. We can define our codes and eliminate all encodes that destroys us. If your baselines are clear and that you have no idea how your codes, then you will not understand why things don't work out for you. You will have mood swings, angry, outbursts, and even depression. When codes and baselines are not aligned, then you can try working hard for the rest of your life and nothing will stay permanent. Okay. Events that change everything. As a child, we often experience events or see things that defines what you believe about the world. These beliefs are called codes. What makes the event important is not the intensity, greatness, or the significance of the event itself, but the importance you have given it. by unconsciously forming a lifelong belief or set of beliefs around the event. Most of the adults have at least 5 to 8 defining moments. As I, you understood what is defining moment?
Yeah, like something which uh, makes you think to change, bring change.
Okay. For example, if a
I
brother,
understand defining moment, which event you remember that and you learn something. Maybe this is a negative and maybe this is a
oh,
positive, but you remember till now and you learned something and maybe they disturb you, maybe they I
empowering.
learned something with the
Yes,
code.
yes. I'll,
Maybe it happiness, it gives a happiness for me. That
yeah,
is a, I think, defining moment.
yeah, absolutely correct, Hemaji. See, I'll give one example. Like, Mahatma Gandhi, when he was thrown out from the train, he decided, that is the moment for him. He decided that I'll throw out British from India. So that is a defining moment for him.
That is a
Similarly,
defining.
yeah, similarly, I can give a lot of examples. Like if some brother, if he calls and says shouts his brother in front of everybody, he found a belief that his brother will always embarrass him in front of all his friends. And so that is the belief he created. That is the code he created in mind. That is a defining moment for him. Similarly, a teacher shouted at her school and doing homework wrong. She called, she's a idiot. Okay. So then a lot of people, there are, all the kids are sitting there. One kid can form in her mind that I'm an idiot. Some of them form that I will show that I'm not an idiot. So this is how the defining moments will happen in the life. Okay. So hope you understood what is the defining moment, right?
Yeah.
Once we created defining moments, what we will do as human beings, what we'll do is we'll try to uh, collect the evidence that strengthens our codes. Okay, suppose somebody shouted and they said you are idiot. So if somebody else is saying idiot, we'll catch only those words and try to believe that we are idiots. If somebody appreciate you, we try to catch only that. If somebody says idiot, we don't care. We want only that. So we try to collect the evidences. Once you have formed a code, your brain will start hunting for evidence, prove it true, so that you can hold on it. Sometimes the brain will make things appear in the way you want them to, so that code is constantly fed evidence to confirm it's true. This is where codes get integrated.
Yeah.
Imagine a seeding, you plant a seed, okay, and water it. You have a choice to water it with nutrients or with slow killing poison. The more you are, uh, the more you water in it, more the codes gets in, uh, integrated to confirm that codes. If you pour nutrient water over the poisonous seeding, it will not believe it, it has nutrients. It will believe it's not worthy and kill the power of the nutrients. So hope you understood. Once our mind start hunting for the negative things, so it will only search negative. Even if somebody wants to love you, somebody wants to give you some good things, you take it as a negative. You take it as a in a different way. As the years go by, the codes will become so strong that you will see the world through it. If you are stuck with N codes, which is negative codes, you are going to have a terrible life. Over the years, you build up so much evidence to support the belief that it becomes integrated in you, and you don't even think the question, thing to question it as an adult. You can't change the past, but you can change your interpretation of the past, and you are integrate your codes to power codes to serve, support, nurture, and change you if you choose to. Okay. Any
Yeah.
doubts up to now?
No, it's understand.
So now we will do an activity. It's called letting go and holding on.
Yes.
It's called letting go and holding on. Your client, your past events of their, negative and positive both, that made a big impact on you. Okay, can you share any of the events, positive or negative?
Negative. Yes, right now, yeah, first I write down.
Okay, I'll give you some time. Just write down and let us come back.
In a 5
You write down your 5
minutes.
negative and positive, 3 positive and 2 negative, and we'll meet again.
Okay. Start.
Yeah, welcome back again.
Thank you.
Hope you have worked on your negative and positive events or defining moments in your life.
Yes.
Ashaji, can you share any negative moment in your life, or which is a defining moments when you are small, yet anything happened in your life? Do you want to share anything, Ashish?
Yeah. I wanted to share a positive event.
Okay.
आप स्टॉप करिए. आपने मुझे बोला कि आप पॉजिटिव शेयर करना, हेमा जी नेगेटिव शेयर करेंगी और फिर आपने मुझे नेगेटिव.
Negative. Okay.
Hema ji.
Hi, Nadeem.
Can you share?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you share anything?
Negative.
Yeah, anything negative,
Ah.
negative which happened in your life,
Negative.
which has
Okay.
defined your life. Yeah.
Okay. When my father lost his entire career, and with him, we lost everything as well. Everything vanished that time.
How old
And
are
very
you?
first time.
How old are you?
15.
What happened? Who was there and what they said? Who were standing
That
there?
time, my family with me only, no friends, nothing.
And what did you tell to yourself?
That time, I told myself, everything is over. We can't move forward, and we can't survive that time. I told myself that is.
What would you have wanted to happen? क्या होने से अच्छा रहता? What do you thought about yourself?
That is, I'm not thinking so much, but yes, definitely I didn't think this thing is happen in my life, and that, so I never think like that my family career, my whole thing is only once few days get down, or everything is vanish and finish. I never think it's happened in my life, because we born in a silver spoon, so that's why I never think.
Which great thing did you learn from these events?
Yes, anything can down anytime, and do not trust anyone, relatives. Do not fool. Do not making a fool. If you are doing something, you research properly. You do very clear what you do and what is the outcome. That is a learn for me.
So what is the end code you have created?
And code is nobody don't trust easily, and life is very tough. That moment, that is my end codes I formed in my mind. and how to survive, I don't know, but that time definitely.
Thank you, Hemaji, for sharing.
Thank you.
And Asha, can I ask you to share some positive moment in your life?
Yes, yes, definitely. I'm very happy to share my positive event that happened when I got my best project award in my post-graduation program.
How old are you at that time?
I was around 20.
So what happened? I mean, who were there with you?
Yeah, like when I reached my institute, all my friends were there. My with the list, there was a list on the notice board, and against my name, it was written that best project awarded to Asha. And my all my friends were standing in front of that notice board and shouting, "Let's go for party! Let's go for party! Asha, give the big party. You need to give a big grand party to us." I said, "Tell me the reason why you want a party." So this type of conversation was going on.
At that time, what do you tell to yourself? What is the internal talk?
I felt very good. I was so happy and proud of myself, and uh, I was just flying in the air. Okay, I got it. I never thought before the announcement. No, so I was very happy that time.
What would you have wanted to happen?
Like I know that this decision was a cumulative decision of my all professors and my directors. So I wanted that if my director sir and the teachers call me in the staff room or in the principal room, if he will call me and announce it, that would have been even much better that point of time.
Okay, which great thing did you learn from this event?
I learned that if you whatever you are doing, if you can make little bit of difference in it, and do it things little differently, you will be uh, you will be recognized and you will get the success in it.
Very good. So what is the e-code you have created for yourself, like empowering code?
E-code I formed is think out of the box and do your best.
So after that, what are the positive things you adopted to excel in life?
Yes, they like I always carry this kind of attitude to do something different and something good for this society. Like I like to take the initiative, take the lead, even if in any of the program. Suppose if we need to organize some event, then I would like to take the lead and take the things accordingly. So this has helped me in growing a lot in future as well as at present.
See, this whole exercise is to letting go and holding on. So you have written 5 of your, positive and negative things. So,
Yeah.
some of the things you have to leave, and some of the things you have to hold on. So that is the practice. Hemaji, you have to, uh, no, you have just shared one thing. So whatever there in your life, so a lot of people they hold to that and they stuck there. So you have to move on. You have to go ahead. So that is the that's what we have to practice.
Yeah.
Okay? Any other doubts you have?
No, perfectly fine.
I understand. I understand totally. And I'm agree totally with you.
Okay. So please feel free to call me anytime or send me messages if you have
Yes,
any doubts
yes,
and
yes,
start
yes.
working on, negative quotes and empowering quotes, both. Something you have to hold, something you have to leave and move forward. Okay. All the best. We'll meet again next week.
Yeah, thank you.